Hey guys, so I got my drawer all organized. I'm gonna put it in my room, but first I'm gonna organize it. Comment down below if you like the pattern I did. So first we're gonna take the top one, and in the top one I'm gonna add all my poppets. Okay, so there are all my poppets. Next I'm gonna put in all my pop tubes, which might be a bit hard. Okay, I got them all in. Next I'm gonna put in all my marble and meshes. Okay, it covers the poppets, but it's okay. Now all my monkey noodles, there they are. And lastly, my Orbi pads, there they are. So this drawer is done. Next, the black one. I was planning to put all my stress balls. All right, let's put them in. Okay, that's a change of plans. I'm putting the big ones and then the stress balls. Okay, I put the big ones in. Now I'm gonna fold the snake and put it in. Okay, I folded it and put it over here. Now it's time for stress balls. Okay, so the black one is done. And the last one. Come back for part 2.
I just want to take a minute to call upon some of you influential TikTokers and maybe some of you YouTube stars to create a Go Clean Your Room challenge, because then maybe my kids would see it on TikTok and actually want to do it.
I made a TikTok about being chronically unhappy, and someone commented that my bed positioning was out of alignment with the principles of Feng Shui. Being impressionable, I decided that that must be the root of all of my problems, and I would correct it immediately. As soon as I moved the bed, the energy of the room changed, and I got way too hot and I had to take my sweater off, so that's 100% confirmation that all my problems are solved now. While I was at it, I moved my desk out of the corner so I wouldn't have to wear a dunce cap while I'm working anymore. In another video about my lack of a father figure, I've been begging random men over 50 in the comments section to please tell me to clean my room, so this felt like a classic two birds, one stone situation. Everything turned out great, so here's a video of what it would look like if you walked through really fast because you were high on crack.
Someone in my building was throwing away this beautiful glass jar, and I knew I had to take it home with me. And yes, before you ask, I did clean it very thoroughly. When I saw this jar, I knew automatically that I wanted to use it for my almonds. If you're curious, I love making my own almond milk at home, and that means I need a lot of almonds. This jar is actually an airtight container as well, so that means my almonds will stay fresh for 1 or 2 years. I don't think it'll last that long, but definitely a huge plus for freshness.
Hey everyone, this is my first video on this account. Today I'm going to be cleaning my room, which is really messy. Don't worry you guys, I'm the cleanest out of all of them. Them two did all that mess, which is really crazy. Yes, they did it. So I started picking up all the trash and I put it in a bag. Also, I'm the cleanest, and that's my sister helped me do that. So then I got another bag and I put it there, and I got the lamp down so my other sister wouldn't wake up. I started putting other clothes out there. I found a Sacagawea coin while I was cleaning. Started putting all the bags there. And I organized the shoes on the bottom and all the stuff. Anyways, so my sister fell asleep because she was really tired. So I did that part really quickly. And then I did the bottom. I started picking up all the pencils and everything that was under there. And then I did the corner. I started getting all the stuff there. Did the desk and everything. I started swiping, putting everything there, like sweeping, you know, and I cleaned that part. And then I started sweeping. I'm going to show you the reveal in my next video. Just vacuuming.
I just want to take a minute to call upon some of you influential TikTokers and maybe some of you YouTube stars to create a Go Clean Your Room challenge, because then maybe my kids would see it on TikTok and actually want to do it. I just want to take a minute to call upon some of you influential TikTokers and maybe some of you YouTube stars to create a Go Clean Your Room challenge, because then maybe my kids would see it on TikTok and actually want to do it. Let's move out. Fire in the hole. I just want to take a minute to call upon some of you influential TikTokers and maybe some of you YouTube stars to create a Go Clean Your Room challenge. Because then maybe my kids would see it on TikTok and actually want to do it.